Welcome to Neena's Thai Kitchen. Today I would like to share with you my Hainan chicken. Hainan chicken is originally from China, Hainan Island, but now is very famous in Singapore, Malaysia, and of course in Thailand. It can be found everywhere in Thailand, from street vendor to restaurant. Hainan chicken is normally served with clear chicken broth soup, ginger garlic rice, and delicious sauces. The chicken is supposed to be tender and moist. Every grain of rice is coated with chicken fat and has a little aroma of fresh ginger and garlic, and of course, delicious sauces. Let me show you one of my favorite khao man kai restaurant in Thailand so that you will see how it looks. Let's go. Khao man kai is quick and comfort food. It's always served with warm soup and delicious sauce. Whenever I go back to Thailand, I always visit this restaurant. And if I don't have time, no worry. One of my sister best friend, Poaching, will deliver it to me. And she's a big fan of my YouTube. I know for sure that she will watch this one. Thank you very much, Poaching, for your generosity and caring. ขอบคุณค่ะ The key of Hainan chicken is not just only the chicken. It is the sauces. And today I have 3 kinds of sauces to share with you. First, Thai ginger chili sauce. Second, scallion ginger sauce. And the third one is sesame soy sauce. Please make sure to keep watching until the end because I make it very simple and delicious. I promise. First, cook the whole chicken. Lightly scrub chicken with salt inside and outside and rinse with water. Cut off excess fat and keep it for making oil later. Time to cook chicken, starting from adding all the ingredients in the water. Bring water to boil and then reduce the water to low heat before you add the chicken in. Simmer it for 40 to 45 minutes. This chicken is about 3.6 pounds and I simmer it for 40 minutes and is fully cooked. To add more flavor, I love to coat it with sesame soy sauce. Time to cook ginger garlic rice. Ingredients are jasmine rice. I rinse it a couple times. Next is cooking oil. I have chicken fat that I'm gonna turn it into cooking oil. Garlic, shallot, ginger, sugar, soy sauce, salt, pepper, cilantro stem, and sesame oil. At medium heat, add chicken fat. Fry it about 2 minutes to get the oil out, or you can use the cooking oil. Add ginger and shallot. Stir until it turns light golden brown. Add ginger and cilantro stem. Now adding rice and the rest of the ingredient. Mix it well together and make sure that every single grain is coated by the chicken oil and spices. It will take about 1 to 2 minutes and then transfer it into rice cooker. Adding 2.5 cups of chicken stock which we boiled earlier. Set it as regular rice cooking. It's done. Take a look. It looks delicious to me. If you don't have a rice cooker, no problem. We can cook it on the stovetop. After mixing rice with all ingredients, add 2.5 cups of chicken stock directly into the pot. Simmer for 15 to 18 minutes. It's done. Look at that. You are going to ask for extra rice. Time to make our sauces.
Ginger is one of the key ingredients in this recipe. Using a spoon is the easiest way to peel ginger. Slice ginger for chicken stock and cooking rice. Let me show you my chopping skill. You can use a food processor or a grater. First, Thai ginger chili sauce. The ingredients are water, sugar, ground bean sauce. This time I found the Chinese brand, which is fine. Garlic, vinegar, soy sauce, Thai chili, black soy sauce, and ginger. I chop it very fine. All we have to do is combining all ingredients together, mix it, and microwave it for 30 seconds. That's all. It's done. It is gingery, spicy, and salty, which is perfect for khao man gai. The second sauce is scallion ginger. The original way we will use mortar and pestle, but today I'm going to make it quick. We're going to use the magic bullet. Mix all ingredients together and blend it a couple times because we don't want it to be too fine. Microwave it for 30 seconds. It's done. It should have a strong taste of scallion and ginger. The third sauce is sesame soy. This one is good for kids and of course for everybody too. Mixing chicken stock, sugar, sesame oil, black soy sauce, and regular soy sauce. That's all. It's done. To add more flavor, I use this sauce as a dipping sauce and to coat chicken. Our chicken is cooked. To serve it, we need to cut it first. The easiest way to do is to cut it into sections and then slice the meat. Let's eat. This is a quick step to cook rice and chicken at the same time in a rice cooker. Follow rice step earlier until the rice is ready to add into rice cooker. For this method, we're going to use only 1.5 pounds of chicken. It can be chicken thigh or chicken breast. Poke with fork or knife to make sure that it will cook through. Now it's time to cook. Add chicken into rice cooker, then add the prepared rice. Next, adding chicken broth, 2.5 cups. Set to cook as regular rice. Yes, it's done. Let's take a look. The rice is cooked. Make sure that when you get the chicken up, don't break the skin. Our chicken is cooked and moist. It looks delicious. For chicken broth soup, we're going to use the remaining of the chicken stock. Fish out all of the aromatics. Add choice of your vegetable. This time I add daikon radish and zucchini. When your vegetable is cooked, the soup is done. Thank you very much for staying with me until the end. I hope that you like this recipe. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.